DataArchiva really is a set and forget product that requires little to no maintenance. The product has massively reduced our file storage costs in a very short space of time. DataArchiva simplifies the archive and retrieval process, making it an easy decision to install and use this amazing product. The team at DataArchiva respond day and night, including weekends too. Their response times are second to none. Communication is the key to success in any business. The team at DataArchiva left no gaps in their communication process both during and after implementation. Our Salesforce org is highly customised, which meant careful planning was required during the DataArchiva implementation and testing process. The team at DataArchiva mapped, implemented and tested the solution prior to deployment. We experienced only positive impacts in production during the implementation process. As the system worked through the data archive process, we watched our data storage costs rapidly reduce too.